Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about what went wrong with this gel electrophoresis and why results are not as predicted. And here's a description of the protocol. Let me first read it and then I will comment on it. So I have a plasmid, 9.3 kilobases with a small 20 nucleotide insert, which I created using the Q5 site-directed mutagenesis kit via PCR. Before transformation, I obtained a clear band at 9.3 kilobases. Next, I picked up a single colony into complement E. coli and let it grow overnight. The next day, I performed mini prep to extract the DNA and quantified the concentration using nanodrop. The DNA concentration was around 200 nanograms per microliter with an A260 to A280 ratio between 1.9 and 2.0. Then I analyzed the plasmid on 1% agarose gel after linearizing it with a restriction enzyme for 2 hours at room temperature. I expected to see a clear band around 9.3 kilobases. However, I observed multiple bands in the gel, which has left me confused about the results. Do you have any suggestions or ideas about this data? And here is the bands that this researcher got. Instead of getting bands around 9.3 kilobases, which band have to be somewhere here. So why this happened? And my first question to this researcher would be, why do you digest at room temperature when most restriction enzymes cut optimally at about 37 degrees of Celsius or higher? Now, please take a look at this picture. And here you can see different forms of the plasmid that it can take, especially when it's not completely digested. So we call them different species, but this is not all the different variants that are possible. It's just most common. And of course, every configuration here would give us different band when we run a gel. I wonder if the enzyme has bound to the plasmid but has not cut it. And you have coiled plasmid, possibly with the enzyme still attached, in which case adding 0.5 SDS might alter the mobility of the plasmid, but the problem may not happen if you cut for longer and higher temperature. 2 hours also seems like not enough. Try next time to do it overnight. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.